Hi friends! Share ko lang sa inyo ang ating junk journal. So, we were doing this the other day, di ba? Nagka-cut tayo ng mga pages from paper bags. Ayan, natapos na po natin siya. Nalagyan na natin ng ring binder. So, de-decorate naman natin siya. We have another resource material for our art craft. Ayan. So, hindi mo kailangan gumastos. You just need, this is a donut, a pizza box, and then yung mga paper bags natin from the grocery. Ayan, makikita natin. We'll show you. Ayan, from LCC, South Supermarket, LCC, South Supermarket, Pizza Hut. So, ayan, iba-iba pong mga paper bags, Mercury Drug, so iba-iba po rin yung sizes ng ating siguro ipapantay-pantay lang natin, medyo hindi siya pantay-pantay. Continue on our creativity journey. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.